Hello, my groovy, beautiful people. Welcome to FluidStock. I am so excited to be here tonight with you guys and pouring with this amazing group of artists, celebrating color and all these beautiful colors of the rainbow. It's going to be a lot of fun. Not going to be a lot of talking tonight. Let's get to it. This is a 20 by 20. I've already put a base coat down. I'm going to layer a dirty cup and we're going to do a wandering straight pour real quick. Husband of awesomeness.
Ay, las.
I like that. That's really cool. What do you think, HOA?
Very groovy.
Alright. Okay. I'm going to move this over here. We're going to do something else. I have these three statues that I've been wanting to pour on for a while. We'll start with those two. Okay. cells popping up on his back.
Beauty.
That's awesome. Okay. Alright, fucker. Get out of the way, buddy.
Ribbit.
Taxi, leave it. Leave it, baby, go. Okay. Alright, ready? He's cool. I like it. What do you think?
Not that crazy about all that white.
Oh, it broke down still. Really? You're gonna lay down there?
Is he laying in the paint?
No? Well, maybe. No, not really. I like him.
I do too.
Okay. I think we're gonna leave him like that. Okay, so that's cool. I'll show you these when they're dry. Thanks for being here with us. Make sure you check out all the other amazing artists in FluidStock. I will list them for you in the description box and here on screen. And there'll be a playlist. So we'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. This is a couple days later, actually. We had a small camera malfunction, so you guys didn't actually get to see me pour this lion, but I thought we would do that again for you today on camera right now because I'm not really crazy about how it came out. It's a teachable moment. I need to add more white. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But the good thing about this little stall in our program this afternoon is our painting is actually dry and looks very cool. So I get to show you the dried result of that right now, which is awesome. Loving the gold cells, loving this sort of wispy, cloudy, beautiful, I don't know, aurora borealis lights. But these are really pretty, and here are all these lines. This one's really, really pretty, and I like it. I like it a lot. I love that we used all the colors of the rainbow and then some friends as well. So that's really cool. And then I also can show you our turtle friend, who turned out so cool. I just love him. I think he's awesome. I hear Baxter out there. I think he came out really, really neat. And there's enough contrast in this that it's making it look really cool, which I really like. So that's the turtle one. And then I'll show you the frog real quick. Ooh. Okay. And he's pretty cool too. Not quite as much contrast as the turtle, but I really like him as well. I think he's actually quite froggy looking. So he's fun. I love these little wise creatures. They crack me up. Okay. All All right, so now we showed you the dried stuff. Let's bring this one back over. Make sure we're on camera, okay? Now we're gonna layer a little cup. I'm gonna layer a 9-ounce cup first. It's obviously gonna use more paint than that, but I don't wanna pour too much at once. Okay, let's see. We're gonna start with a little bit of white. And I'm just gonna layer these. And some violet. And then actually some orange. Yellow. And red. And purple. Violet. I'm going to add a lot of white right now. I'm going to do one big shot from up high and go down in there. And then let's add a little bit more orange. And some more yellow. We're probably going to need another cup too.
So this is a layered dirty cup or a dirty layered cup?
I don't know what it is. It's just having fun. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. I'm trying to pour it slower than I did last time so that we actually keep most of this on the lion. And also so I can see where I need to pour more. Okay, that's looking pretty cool so far. We're gonna grab a stick and just help it along in a few places. Pretty cool, actually. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
Do you think we should put a little bit more white in the cup and do it one more time? Just so we don't end up with the same thing we had last time? Was it too dark?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit more white this time to the cup. White. Alright, we'll do one more time. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Cool. I like it.
Yeah.
That's better. better. So that white, adding more white definitely gives us more contrast so that these pretty colors pop a lot. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so that's it for me for FluidStock. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate it and your patience. I know everybody has worked super hard on their videos, so we're excited to show you all of them. Make sure you check out everybody's video. We will have a playlist that you just click once, and then it shows you all the videos in order, which is pretty awesome. So thank you so much for being here with me. We'll see you next time.
Sexy spin.
This edge is so pretty on there too. Gorgeous.